Waridi. Welcome to Waridi. We will be learning about alphabets and their sound. In this video, we will learn about the letter L and its sound L. The letter L and its sound L. Are you ready? Let's learn. This is letter L. Letter L. The letter L sounds L. Sounds L. Letter L sounds L. Letter L sounds L. Now let's read together. The letter L sounds L. Letter L sounds L. Now try read by yourself. The letter L sounds L. The letter L sounds L. Like in the word lion. Lion. In the word lemon. Lemon. In the word legs. Legs. Lion, lemon, legs. Let's read together. Lion, lemon, legs. The letter L sounds L. The letter L sounds L. Thank you for watching. That's it for this video. Like and subscribe.